Welcome back to TechCrumbs. Today we're going to show you how to set a passcode or password for the Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite. So first thing we do is go to the quick settings here, then we go here and press password. We have a password now set at 1211, and once we have here wrist detection, change password. So that's what we can do. But what is wrist detection? Basically, it means that when the watch is on my wrist, it will let me use it and do whatever I want. But if I took it off, and we leave it off our wrist and have it on the side here. Let's have it turn off. Now if I press it, it will have a password, which means that nobody can enter our watch while it's charging and so on. So now I could press here 1211 and we're in password control. So we go here, go to password. In password we do 1211. And we can change to wrist detection, and then it won't have this issue. So yeah, that's how you change the password on the Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. See you in the next one.